Hi Bess, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a quick review for the July Boxycharm subscription box. So this is the look I made. With no further ado, let's start. Okay, I'm really eager to do this last part. So yes, this is really good. This is the one I'm wearing right now, so I liked it. It looks natural and at the same time it's pretty. The lipstick, as you can see, it actually stays there, but it it does bleed a little bit, so it's not as bad because the color is still there. But after I ate today, it actually went off, which a lot of like lipstick does happen like that because of like some oil and all that. But of course the brushes are amazing. I love Luxie brushes. They're always soft and nice, so I love Luxie brushes, so there's no doubt about that. The eyeshadows, it's very pretty, but I think they should have at least a little bit more, maybe like if this one should have, I think this one should have been like a matte or something, or like a little more lighter shade of a brown than dark brown, or a brown. I think this would have been perfect, but I mean this is already perfect enough. But I just think that you can make more look if there was, you know, there was like a brown. But I like this as well. You can, it's easy to blend and everything, and the highlight, you can see it is still there. I mean, I had this since 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's already what? Let me check. And it's already 11:51 p.m. So it's kind of like 8 hours. The mask, I'm gonna use that after this, so I'm just gonna put it in the description box how, if I liked it or not, and how it did, you know, if it did something on my face or what. But other than that, I love everything that was in it. Of course, like I said, the Boxycharm has been so good at making like choosing like good stuff, and for me it's really worth the money. I mean, if you're already gonna if you're gonna do a subscription, I definitely recommend Boxycharm. Thank you, Besss. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you again in my next video. If you haven't been subscribed to my channel, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and hit that bell button so you can get notified for my next upload. Alright, I gotta go. My baby crying. Ah! Say bye. Look. Say bye. Alright. See you, Besss. Bye.